Buying a home is an important milestone, and if you're a first-time home buyer or you're relocating to Georgia and you're not familiar with the home buying process here in the Peach State, you may feel just a touch overwhelmed or maybe intimidated as you are excited about your decision to own a home. So in this video today, my goal is to walk you through each of the key steps involved in buying a home in Georgia so you will know exactly what you're getting into and how to prepare. Let's get started. So the first step of the home buying process is to determine if you are ready for the commitment of buying a home and becoming a homeowner. So take some time to examine your current situation and how it might potentially change in the near future. Consider things like, are you getting a new job anytime soon? Do you have a baby on the way? Do you need a smaller home that you would like to downsize into because that 4,000 square foot house is too much for you right now? Those are just a few things to consider. If you're currently renting, compare the benefits of buying a home versus renting. And to help you with that, check out my other videos on my channel where I talk about the pros and cons of renting and buying your home. Once you've decided that buying a home makes sense for you, you need to carefully evaluate your personal financial situation before buying a home to make sure you can actually afford it. So for more in-depth conversation and information about how to prepare to buy your home, be on the lookout for a future video that I'll be releasing very soon. Step number 2. Explore your mortgage options. Mortgages have 3 elements that you need to be aware of: the loan type, the rate type, and the loan term. Knowing how these pieces work together can help you pick the best mortgage for you. You should also be aware of what your monthly mortgage payment will include. Your mortgage payment usually will consist of 4 elements. You are going to have the principal, the interest, the property taxes, and the home insurance. You should also consider shopping around and comparing loan estimates from several lenders because the fees and interest rates may vary dramatically. If you want to learn more about exploring your mortgage options, be on the lookout for a future video I'll be releasing very soon. Step number 3 is getting pre-approved. You probably have heard this a lot, and I know it's very tempting to just want to start browsing online, looking at beautiful houses, touring neighborhoods, even going on open houses. But before you fall in love with a house, you should get pre-approved first. Trust me on this one. You see, a mortgage pre-approval will help you estimate your monthly payment and understand what you can truly afford. So getting pre-approved for a mortgage first has many advantages. I will be discussing all of those with you in a future video in more detail, along with what a lender will review and what they're going to look for in order to get you pre-approved, and what are the steps of getting an approval. So if you're interested to find out more, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat. Step number 4, hiring the right real estate agent to represent you. And I know I'm a real estate agent, but I'm not trying to pitch myself out there. There is true value, and a real estate agent can make a big difference in the home buying process for you, and not just for the reasons you might think. While it's true that the web has transformed the way people shop for homes, and it has empowered you as a home buyer to go into your house hunt very well informed, just the sheer amount of information out there will be difficult to navigate alone. It can literally put you in what I call analysis paralysis state, and it can be truly overwhelming. And although buying a house appears to be all about the numbers on the surface, the reality is that you are about to get on an emotional roller coaster. And I mean it. Believe it or not, know it or not, you will find yourself there at some point in time in the process. According to a recent Homes.com study, the home buying process brings about 1/3 of home buyers to tears. And I'm not saying this to intimidate you, not at all. Another study that the National Association of Realtors conducts annually, that's called the Profile of Home Buyers and Sellers, has found that in 2021, about 87% of home buyers reported that they used a real estate agent to purchase their home. After all, it's the purchase of a lifetime for many of you. It's not like buying a pair of shoes that you buy with a simple add to cart button on Amazon.com. If you want to find out why having the right buyer's agent by your side is still important today despite the internet, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and stay tuned. Step number 5, finding your home. Once you've found the right real estate agent to work with and to protect your best interest in the home buying process, it is time to begin the house hunt. This is the fun part. You and your agent will do a thorough evaluation of your specific needs and wants in a home. We'll consider many factors depending on your specific goals and specific budget. Your agent will give you guidance on what to look for when you're viewing a home, whether it's online or in person, and what are the do's and don'ts during those private showings you're going to attend together. For more in-depth information about finding the right home for you and what to expect while actively house hunting, be on the lookout for another video. Step number 6, how to make an offer on your home. You looked at homes to buy and you found the one you love. So how do you know how much to offer? Staying within your budget is important, but there is more to getting the house you want than just picking a number out there. There are several things you need to consider when deciding how much to offer on your home. You also have to decide what you will include in your offer, like lender pre-approval letter, any contingencies, the amount of earnest money you're going to put down, and so many other things. It is very important to understand how to negotiate the purchase price of the home you want to purchase as well. All of those are things that your real estate agent should be able to help with. If you would like to learn more about the offer process in the real estate transaction and what to expect, be on the lookout for a whole another video I'll be releasing on this very topic very soon. Step number 7, preparing to close on your home. Once your offer has been accepted, closing the loan involves 3 stages: the home inspection, the appraisal, and underwriting. Knowing how these pieces work together can help you prepare to close your loan successfully. Again, your real estate agent should be able to guide you through all of this and give you advice along the way. If you want to find out a little bit more about this step of the home buying process, you know what to do. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and then ring that notification bell so you don't miss this video. Step number 8, closing on your home. You found a home that meets your needs. You got your offer accepted and you got approved for a loan. Nice job. Now you're finally ready to sign on the dotted line and get the keys to your new home. Closing is where you will sign all the mortgage paperwork, and in most cases, you will take possession of the property. This will be your home going forward. If you're curious to find out what happens in the days right before closing and on closing day itself, what and who you should bring to closing, and what you will pay at closing, make sure to be on the lookout for another video dedicated to this very topic. I hope that after this brief video, you are a lot more clear on what the home buying process in Georgia looks like and what to expect. If you have any questions about any of the steps in the home buying process, don't be shy, put them down in the comments below. I will be more than happy to answer all of those for you. If you're ready to embark on your home buying journey, I would love to have a one-on-one free consultation with you so we can decide if working together makes sense or not. If now is not the right time, that's okay too. Please feel free to browse around my other videos, and if you found any value in the video today, please consider subscribing to my channel. Remember, you can always change your mind later.